Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a cube. If you've ever watched a Square-1 guide on how to get faster, on the hardware section they always say you should get this cube. This is the MGC Square-1. You should be able to hear it right now. So here we go. This is it. Let's find out if this is the best Square-1 ever. Do I actually not need Mr. Scissors' help today? That's actually crazy. No offense to you, Mr. Scissors, but he's right there. I'm looking at him. So we'll just... how are we gonna open this? Oh yeah. YG cubes are specifically like the MGC cubes. They use a kind of boxing like this with this cover thingy and a box something like this. So we'll wait a bit. There we go. Now first it comes with this traditional YJ MGC accessories box, which should have things like magnets. Oh, these are black tiles. I personally, however, like yellow on my Square-1. But if you like black on yours, you can use that. But now, time for the real cube. What I like already about this is that this is a pretty small cube. Look at one of my other Square-1s, for instance. That is not big of a difference, but my old man before this, the Yushin Little Magic, I'm pretty sure it's going to be it's just smaller than that, which is good, especially for small hands. Let's open this. Mr. Scissors, there you go. Thank you. And I'm touching it. This is a normal magnetic version. First turn. Ooh, this is good. It will use some setting up, but it's turning well. The magnets, I mean, they're pretty strong, but obviously once you get a new cube, you need to get used to it, of course. So if I get used to it, I actually think this cube would be really good. It is locking up a bit, but guess what can fix that problem? This thing. So why don't we lube it and see what happens? I just lubed it and just did a few turns on it. Whoa, this, yes. I mean, it's not really solving the lockup issue, but it's still way better. It could use some core tightening now. But yeah, it all really just turns really good. I think this is probably the Square-1 you can buy. But of course, you can also buy upgraded versions. This is the cheapest one. Let's do a solve. I usually average around 20 seconds on Square-1. So let's see how I do. I think I just forgot how to solve a Square-1. Let's redo that. Okay, here we go. $16.78. That is really good. Obviously, when you get a new cube, you need to use it a lot and get used to it. And I personally think this is the best Square-1 you can get out there. Upgraded versions, better than the best. At least this is the best I have tried. And you'll obviously need to get used to a cube. But this really is magnificent. Let's do another solve. Okay, kind of got an easy scramble there. Oh, made a mistake in CP. One thing I've just noticed is that if I didn't mess up CP, that would most likely be a sub 20. I think I'm just became sub 20 globally. Now let's check out some more things. First of all, let's see if you can loosen the core. Yes, you can. That is good. We see quite a few magnets there, which is also good for magnetic cube, the MGC logo. Anything on the other side? No, not really. And let's check out the accessories box a bit more. So it comes with these black tiles and a screwdriver and a tutorial. So you can take off these tiles if you want and replace them with these black ones. It's your choice if you like black on your square one. I personally like yellow. It's similar to the color scheme of 3x3. It is the color scheme of 3x3. And I just think it's better, but really go for what you want. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe, and our goal is to reach 250 subscribers by the end of this year. So let's make sure we hit it. And stop making my cubes disappear for once. Bye.